The BJP has opened its account in the Lok Sabha elections 2024 before counting after party candidate Mukesh Dalal is now set to win unopposed on the Gujarat Surat seat. Now BJP's Mukesh Dalal is set to win unopposed from the Surat Lok Sabha seat after all other candidates have withdrawn their nomination papers. This has also come as a huge setback to the Gujarat Congress. Now nomination papers of the party's Lok Sabha candidate from Surat, Nilesh Kumbhani, were rejected after his three proposers had claimed in an affidavit to the district election officer that they had not signed his nomination form. Well, this is the latest that's coming in. At this point in time, we are learning big development now taking place here. BJP has opened its account in the Lok Sabha polls even before the counting is to take place. Remember, Gujarat is set to poll in the third phase on May 7th. And the BJP had last time around won all the Lok Sabha seats in the state. And this time, even as there has been a tussle on the Surat seat, the BJP's candidate Mukesh Dalal is all set to win unopposed from the Surat Lok Sabha seat after all other candidates have now withdrawn their nomination papers. All right, my colleague Vasudha also joins us on the broadcast here, getting us more on that. Vasudha, big development taking place. BJP's candidate Mukesh Dalal is all set to win unopposed from the Surat Lok Sabha seat after the nomination papers of all other candidates. They had withdrawn their nomination papers, and this definitely comes as a huge setback for the Congress party in Gujarat.
Absolutely, Kitty. And let me also remind our viewers that Surat is the bastion of the BJP. You know, it has been the bastion of the BJP for many years. It's also, a stronghold of C.R. Patil, who is the man credited for, BJP's record-breaking 156 in the assembly polls of 2022. He belongs to the neighboring constituency of Navsari. And in, 2019, if there were three constituencies that hit the winning margins of 5 lakh, it was Surat, Navsari, and of course, one seat in Ahmedabad, which is the Gandhinagar constituency, Gandhinagar, which is represented by Amit Shah. So these were the three big, winning margin seats, and Surat has been the fortress of the BJP for many years now. So this is something that also gives a lot of boost to the BJP. And remember that there were problems with the Congress party's candidates' nomination form, and this is something that the district election officer made it very clear. And today was the day when the witnesses and the approvers had to, come to the office and basically talk about it and basically say that they nominated this person, and that process did not happen. There were discrepancies not just in his form, Nilesh Kumbhani's form, but also in the form of the replacement, the substitute candidate, which is why the Congress does not have a candidate in Surat now. The BSP candidate has also sort of withdrawn. A lot of other candidates withdrew. So in some ways, it's a battle that is unopposed, for the BJP, which is why C.R. Patil, the BJP president of Gujarat, has congratulated Mukesh Dalal. Remember, the earlier candidate in 2019 was Darshana Jardosh. She has served as the MOS in the Modi cabinet. She was replaced by Mukesh Dalal, who's also been a party worker for many years. Okay. And Mr. C.R. Patil has said that this is the first lotus that the country is offering to Narendra Modi, making it very clear that Surat, by its character, the political character, is very BJP, and that, in some ways has been made clear in this whole development that happened today.
Right, absolutely. Thank you so much.